Hello, and welcome to TI Precision Labs discussing PSpice for TI's project file structure. A new project or .dsn file will automatically make one schematic. When the schematic is expanded, it will have one page in it. It is often a best practice to rename schematics with meaningful names. To do this, right-click on the schematic and select Rename. Once a new name is chosen, select OK. The docked Project Explorer will reflect the change. Pages can be renamed in the same way as schematics, as shown here. To add a new page to a schematic, right-click the schematic and select New Page. Provide a name for the new page and select OK. The new page will automatically populate in the docked Project Explorer. If you choose to rename a page, the pages within a schematic will automatically reorder alphabetically. A new schematic may be added to a design by right-clicking on the .dsn file and selecting New Schematic. Provide a name for the schematic and select OK. Notice how a page is not automatically made for this schematic, and the schematics are not automatically reordered alphabetically. At this point, a lot of changes have been applied to the current sensing project. Changes are denoted by an asterisk. Each page and schematic may be saved individually. Alternatively, saving the top of the hierarchy saves all of the levels below it. In this example, the design file is selected and saved in order to save all schematics and pages. Notice how all asterisks are removed. Following the same procedure of adding schematics and pages to those schematics, we arrive at a design with multiple schematics and multiple pages within them. A schematic must be the root of the project in order to run simulations. Simulation profiles are covered in a later video. The root schematic is at the top of the design file. In order to change the root schematic, right-click on the schematic and select Make Root. In this example, the transimpedance schematic is already the root, therefore the option is grayed out. For the high side and low side schematics, the Make Root option is enabled. In this example, the low side schematic was made the root as confirmed by the option being grayed out. Additionally, the Hierarchy tab shows which is the root schematic. Notice how the remaining schematics reorder alphabetically. Net aliases can be shared across different pages within a schematic. However, net aliases cannot be shared across schematics within a design. In this example, the net alias VO is shared across the pages of the low side schematic, but are not connected to the other possible VOs located in high side and transimpedance schematics. How to build schematics will be covered in later videos. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching. To find more technical resources, please visit ti.com.